In this video, I'll show you how to turn scrap metal into a multifunctional biceps machine. With this one piece of equipment, you can perform barbell, EZ bar, hammer, and wide grip isolation curls to build bigger biceps and forearms faster. First, we'll need 4 different pieces of metal: 68 centimeter square tube, 65 centimeter flat bar, 65 centimeter round tube, and 80 centimeter MS round bar. We'll clean all the metal pieces thoroughly to remove any dirt, rust, and rough edges. Then we wipe them down with an anti-rust solution. First, we cut a piece from the square tube so the flat bar can fit inside it. Then, we measure 25 centimeters from the edge of the square tube to weld the round bar. Then, 25 centimeters from the edge of the square tube, we make a 35-degree cut so we can bend it to a 15-degree angle. After cutting everything, we weld all the components together. At the end of the square tube, we cut an opening to fit the round tube perfectly. Then we weld 2 11-centimeter pieces of round bar to the bottom of the 80-centimeter round bar, 18 centimeters apart from the square tube. Then we grind the welded areas to make everything smooth and clean. After everything is done, we need 2 pieces of round tube to make the plate locks. When everything is finished, we grind and clean it again with anti-rust solution. Then wrap the handles with electrical tape for better comfort. Like, share, and follow for more interesting fitness builds and workouts. Stay tuned for my next video.